Hi everyone, this is Yin from Craftiviti and I want to show you our special Care for Your Hands set. Now we all are washing and sanitizing our hands multiple times every day. Now that's going to take a toll on the hands because the skin is going to start feeling brittle and dry. What more if you start using commercial products or soaps in the public bathrooms? Those soaps are quite harsh on the skin. So I want to share with you how I take care of my skin and how I use this Care for Your Hands pack. This Care for Your Hands set comes with a sanitizer, an organic yin and yang liquid castile soap, organic yin and yang lotion, a 10 ml lavender essential oil, and a pair of fabric gloves. Now I'm going to show you what I do on a nightly routine to take care of my hands and my skin. And keep in mind that you can also use this for your whole entire body. Now the Care for Your Hands pack comes with a hand sanitizer made with organic, natural aloe vera extract. This contains no fragrances, no coloring, no gel, no thickeners. So it has all the good things that is able to protect your hands, sanitize your hands without being too harsh. It also contains glycerin and the aloe vera extract to moisturize your hands so that it doesn't become too dry. And if you want to add essential oil to this bottle, you can. But when you are at home, you can love your hands even more by washing your hands with yin and yang organic liquid castile soap. This yin and yang liquid castile soap contains no harsh chemicals. It has no synthetic fragrances or colorings or thickeners or pearlizers. It contains no SLS, no SLES, no parabens, no added preservatives. If you look at the entire list of things that this product doesn't have, it's actually quite a long list. It only contains what's good for your skin and what your skin needs to wash. It is also unscented, so you can add in your own essential oil blend to your skin. So you can wash with this daily, and it can also be a facial or body wash. And after washing, what I do on a nightly routine is that I use this yin and yang organic lotion. This organic lotion contains certified organic virgin argan oil, organic shea butter, and organic virgin coconut oils. So these are all really good oils. And this lotion contains no coloring, no fragrances, no artificial chemicals, no silicone oils, no mineral oils. Everything in this lotion is natural and it's formulated unscented, so you can add in your own essential oils as well. So what you have in this bottle is everything that your skin can absorb, and your skin will love you for it. So what I do is at night, I rub this all over my body and especially on my hands, and I add a drop of lavender oil to a dollop of lotion. And I just love it. I just put it all over my hands, elbows, arms, everywhere. And I wear this fabric glove to sleep. So this fabric glove is very breathable. It helps to insulate your hands and keep the moisture in while the lotion works at moisturizing your hand. And the next morning when you wake up and you remove the gloves, you find your hands silky smooth. I'm so excited every morning when I remove the gloves, and I want you to try something at home. Right after you wake up, go and wash your hands in the sink. You will realize that there is no silky smoothness that you feel because there are no mineral oils or silicone oils on your skin. This lotion fully absorbs into your skin, and you know that when you wash your hands the next morning, when there's no slippery slidiness to it. So you know that the great oils that are used to formulate this lotion is fully absorbed into your skin. So this is a care pack for the hands. We are out there taking so much care to wash our hands all the time. We need to start loving them by moisturizing them. So make sure you always soak, sanitize, and moisturize. Stay healthy, everyone.